Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about mirror command in AutoCAD. Now in previous sessions we talked about copy, rotate, copy. Now we'll see that how mirror tool will help us in doing copy, rotate command. So mirror it's you copying an object, then you're rotating it, you're flipping it in order to get the corresponding image. Well, when you're looking at the mirror, so there is we call the mirror. In AutoCAD, that mirror will be mirror line. So an object, when you're trying to mirror it, you will see the reflection of it on the other side. So when you say reflection, it is basically the same object copied to the other side and then rotated in order to face the first object. This is what mirror means. So we have a mirror line. So the distance between the original object and the mirror line is equal to the distance between the reflected object and the mirror line. Now you will not see mirror line on the drawings. It's an imaginary line that you're going to choose in order to do the reflection on the other side of this line. So this will be reflected on the other side. For example, something like this will be reflected on the other side. So this mirror line, you will select it by yourself somewhere that you want the reflection to be exactly symmetrical. The same distance here that goes there, and then it will copy that object here and rotate it. Can I do this mirror will rotate? It's possible, but it takes time. It takes time that you can, for example, draw this, copy this object here. For example, you copy the object here, then we'll rotate it to something like this. So you can rotate it to get to this shape. I can copy and rotate, I will get the object. But some rotation will be harder than some other rotation, but it's possible to do the rotation and to bring back the object the way it is. Why would you do copy and rotate if there's something we call mirror that will make your life easier or the drawings much faster? Now how do we know we need mirror line? It's basically by looking at the drawing and to see similarity, symmetrical shapes. We said that we can use copy, but also we can use mirror command. Now I'm sure you've done this one. It's one of the practical examples. Done this one. Now this time I'm gonna see that how we will use mirror to make this drawing easier. In order to think of mirror, we have to think of imagine of symmetrical part. So if I divide this one into two, let's say it's in the middle and divide into two. So the left side it's equal to the right side. Even if I divide it in the half, the top side is the same as the bottom side. So at the end, I can get to a point that this is what we're repeating. If I just do this corner, I can simply mirror it down and then I can mirror it there. Now another way to think of mirror is folding paper. Imagine you have a paper and you put a dot at that side, one of the edge for example, on the other side you will put a dot. If you fold this paper on the half, if the exact location of the points are the same, the location of the point exactly the same, you just simply bring it back together, fold in the middle, those points will come over each other. So if we try to, let's say, fold this object in the middle like this, we try and fold it like this. What will happen? Those circles exactly will come here, and the line of folding will be the mirror line. So we will end up something like this. If I fold it, it will be like this. So there will be circles here, or circles here. Now this is folded into half. Then I can fold it again like this. I mean, from here I can fold it like this. Then we'll get to just 1/4. So basically you unfold it by using mirror, you'll get the full shape. So you realize that the folding line is the location for mirror line. So when we say mirror line, it's an imaginary line. Look, there is no line here. We just have to specify 2 points on this line. 2 points. Anyway, doesn't matter. Any 2 points just to represent the direction. Just to specify the direction, nothing more. Nothing more. So let's go to AutoCAD to see. Let's say I'm just drawing a shape to tell you that how this working. For example, if I have just an object like this and I want to mirror this one, I want to mirror this one. First I'll select the object. Then there's two way. We said that whether you select the object, then you select the commands from the modify toolbar, or you can click on the mirror. Then it will ask you select object the same way that it was asking in copy, rotate, move. So I can select the object, then hit enter. It will ask me specify first point of mirror line. Now this is where's the mirror line. So if I click anywhere, it will get equal distance between the two objects. So the distance basically will be equally distanced or equally distributed. You can say that. So this is the mirror line. Wherever I'm going, the reflection of that shape will be on the other side of this. So it's basically taking equal distance. Let's say we'll do it like this. One more click, then it will ask you what erase source object. Do you want to erase the original one? By default is no, so you can just simply click on the no and you will have the mirror. So it's basically copy this one and you rotate till you get this one. If you can get it, it's basically slipping. Sometimes you will not flipping, sometimes you cannot get the object even by rotate and copy. Now let's see with the drawing that we have it, what will we do? So the drawing that we have it here, I'm gonna draw half of it which is gonna be 6 and here 13. So sorry, I'm half and quarter, half from the top, half from it. So this is 13 and this is 8. Then we're gonna do those part. Then we're gonna use, this is 13 here, this is 8 here, because half of 16, half of 26. We're gonna draw 1/4. Then we're gonna draw the circles. Then we're gonna use mirror command to get the rest of the shape. Well, 2 line, one of them 13, the other one 8. Then we're gonna use fillet command to get the corner round. Gonna go for radius. The radius was 3. Then we're gonna come here. Then we have 2 circles. Those basically the radius was 3 for the fillet, and 2 circles, radius 1, radius 2, at the same center. So you're gonna use 2 circles, center radius at the same center, 1 and another circle which is 2. So I have this one, and we're going to use mirror command to do the rest of the work for us, or the rest of the object. Now another method to activate mirror, I will select the object, then I will click on the mirror command. In this way, the selection is done. It will directly ask me specify first point of mirror line. Now I can mirror down, so I have click here, and then look, it will ask me specify second point of mirror line. I have to specify the mirror line. We just need to make sure it says it is horizontal. It doesn't matter where you click. It just has to be horizontal. That's it. So that the image will come on the other direction. And if I click anyway, it'll ask me, do you want to erase the original one? We'll say no, and we have it here. Then again, I'm gonna select them. One more mirror. This time we'll mirror it exactly from this point down. No need to click here as well. Anyway, it's still okay. Anyway, it's still okay. You'll say, do you want to erase the object? We'll say no, and we have the drawing. Now the location of the mirror line is important, because let's say I undo it. So the location of the mirror line is important. I can click somewhere here, yes, but look what will happen. It will keep the same distance from the original object to the mirror line for the reflection image. So if I click here, still say no, but the distance here, because we chose somewhere here for the mirror line, the distance basically is divided by 2. This distance that you have it here and you have it there for the reflection. Well, we can do this one. I can just simply move it back together. We can move this one back to here. But we said in the beginning, when you do mirror line, you have to know the mirror, folding mirror. Remember, without mirror, still can do objects, but using mirror will make the life easier. There's many examples that you see similarity between them. Try to using mirror line to see how does it work. Thanks for watching.